Hi friends, today we can see how to install Codeigniter framework. So three version. So first step is go to open browser, any browser, Chrome or anything, open, and search Codeigniter 3.0. So you can download in official site. This is open source, so you can download in official site. Okay. So just a moment. So it is verifying the captcha. 1 minute. So here it is showing how to set up Codeigniter, everything else. So first we can see the Codeigniter 3 version. Okay, so click on downloading Codeigniter here. So here it will show every versions of the Codeigniter. So we can download Codeigniter 3.0 first. So 3.0.0. After downloading Codeigniter, open the Codeigniter file, copy this one, go to C column, examp. We can choose examp 7.3.3. So open 7.3.3, go to htdocs and create one new folder. So I am creating new folder. So Codeigniter, open Codeigniter and paste this one. So after pasting the Codeigniter 3.0, extract this folder. So extract here. After extracting, open the folder and copy everything. Just to copy everything and paste outside. So after pasting, these two folders are not needed. You can delete this one. Okay, so now we have to start examp. Go to main folder, click on examp control, and start Apache and MySQL server both. So in 7.3.3 it will take some time for run the MySQL. For example, here it is showing port number. For Apache it is showing port number, and MySQL still the port number is not showing. So we can see other apps. Just a minute. Okay, we can close everything, and so we are going to use Visual Studio for Codeigniter 3.0. So this is the Visual Studio. So we can use Notepad++, Genie, or anything. Any editor is okay. So but this editor contains more option when compared to other editors. So first method is, so to open File Explorer, first method is you can click on File and open Workspace from File. So this option you can use, or else this option you can use. Or to use simple method, I am showing the simple method how to open the Explorer in simple way. So just to close this one, go to this PC, go to C, example, htdocs, and open Codeigniter. You got to click on this taskbar, for example this one, and type CMD. So remove everything and type CMD. So what it will do is it will automatically go to the Codeigniter folder here. C examp htdocs Codeigniter. So you have to simply enter the following code. For example, code space dot. If you enter means Visual Studio is automatically open. It will automatically open. So close any unwanted things. For example, welcome page is not needed. Close this one. And chat box is not needed. I am closing this one. So first we are going to configure the root folder. So go to application, config, and the roots. So in roots, so this is the default welcome page. So default controller, it is showing welcome here, and any 404 page is remains here. Called allocate one 404 controller name. So everything. So if we enter any URL, means it will go to directly affect to the root folder. So from the root folder it will go to the views and the model. So now we can configure the database. So open database, scroll down, so in database, so default host name is localhost, that is fine, and the username what you got to enter is root. Password leave it as blank, password is not needed, and database name you got to mention. For example, I am mentioning database name codeigniter. Codeigniter, that's all. This is enough. So after entering this one, so that's all. So I am going to save this one. So save completed. So let's check the exam is started or not. So here port number came, so exam is started successfully. So open Chrome browser now. You can close the exam, so no problem. It will go to the minimize. It will comes under the minimize. Okay, so that's not a problem. So now we can, you have to enter local host php main. So it is not working. So because I have mentioned the port number 8443. So you have to mention here also 8443. So it will first time it will take some time. Okay, so this is php my admin. So this is the UI, simple UI. So you can enter here. So click on new and enter database name. So data name what we have mentioned means, so codeigniter. So same like, so copy this one and paste here and click on create. So after creating, so database name is created successfully. So let's run the package. So I'm running the package. So this is a welcome page. So that's all friends. So this is how we can install codeigniter in exam. So in next session we can see how the database is connecting and how we can run the simple hello page how we can make it. So we can see in next session. Okay friends, thank you.